Hello, budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel watching you. Let's begin drawing Baby Banban. Start with a sleeping line and a standing line. Imagine the trunk of a tree having two branches while drawing its body. Now, we are going to draw the party hats that Banban is wearing. It has two party hats, one on each ear. There are strings flying out from the top of its hats, and it also have a spiral design. Next, let's move on to the hands. Slowly draw the hands, following my steps. Then, draw the second hand. Since it's a baby, it has a very short body, and Baby Banban wears a diaper. Now, let's draw the legs. They should be shaped like popsicle sticks. Draw the first leg, then the second one. In this drawing, Baby Banban looks like it's sitting on the floor. Moving on to the eyes, start by drawing a small arc inside it. Draw two arcs on top of a curved line and connect the points. When you color it, the eyes will appear as if they are looking upward. When drawing eyes, remember that the final look depends on the pupils. After finishing the outline, it might seem like the eyes are drawn incorrectly, but don't worry. Once you color the pupils black, the eyes will look just right. Now, let's continue with our drawing. Actually, Baby Banban is a fan-made character and not part of the original version. Now that we have completed the outline, let's start coloring the picture. I used a reference image for this drawing. I'll clip the image and pin it at the top of this video. Look at the strings on the party hat. Its stripes are yellow, blue, and pink. The entire body of Banban is bright red, so I used carmine red to color it. Color it slowly, you will enjoy the process. Banban has cute eyes and a tongue sticking out of its mouth. I really enjoy drawing. This drawing took me about 20 minutes to complete, but in this video, I have sped up the process to just 5 minutes. You can use alcoholic markers, sketch pens, oil pastels, crayons, or any coloring tools you have in your pouch. People from various sources have started creating Baby Banban with more animation and details. It seems that many have become obsessed with Garden of Banban. I am using a red wine color, which is darker than the outer body. For the tongue, I am using a bright pink color. Now, let's color the diaper. Actually, there's no need to color it since diapers are always white. However, to make it visible and prevent it from blending into the background, I am using a gray shade to create shadows where they naturally fall on the diaper. I am also shading the whole body and the party hat. A YouTuber named The Frustrated Gamer uploaded a video about Baby Banban 4 months ago, titled, "Baby Banban is Here." It's fascinating to see how engaged people have become with the Banban series. Their enthusiasm has driven them to create something new while staying connected to the original series. This showcases how dynamic the audience and creators are, as they continue to develop new interpretations of Baby Banban while maintaining a connection to the Garden of Banban lore and universe. As usual, I am completing the drawing with a black outline. Use a black sketch pen for this. I am using a fine-tipped black sketch pen to have full control over the lines. You can try this too. Leave a comment to let me know whether you liked this video or not, or share any thoughts you have. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Bye for now.